Xero versus QuickBooks. Which is the best accounting software? Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Now, we all have heard about Xero and QuickBooks because they remain as two of the most widely used accounting software solutions for small to medium sized businesses. So, both platforms offer pretty robust tools for financial management, but their features, pricing, and usability cater to different business needs. So, we're going to be comparing both of these platforms today. Now, let's jump right in. Starting off with some of the key features of each one of these platforms. First off, we're going to take a look at Xero. Xero offers customizable invoice templates with branding options, including features like recurring invoices and payment reminders. It integrates with payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, allowing customers to pay directly through invoices. Now, if we take a look at some of the basic features of QuickBooks, it provides advanced invoicing features, including progressive invoicing for billing and stages, allows users to update client details directly within invoices, supports QuickBooks payments for seamless payment processing via cards, ACH transfers, and Apple Pay. Now, if I was to compare the expense tracking tools on both of these, QuickBooks has a built-in tracking tool available across all plans. Advanced reporting tools allow you to categorize the expenses by project or by department. You can find all of these features directly in QuickBooks Online or in the QuickBooks Accountant version. You can see over here that your expenses are also divided into expenses and suppliers, which can help you in tracking things a bit more efficiently. Now, if we take a look at Xero, Xero offers mobile apps like Xero Expenses for receipt scanning and tracking expenses on the go, including basic inventory management, but it does require third party applications for advanced needs. So, expense tracking is definitely a feature where QuickBooks has far more details in their built in expense tracker. What about reporting? Well, Xero provides real time reports such as cash flow statements and business snapshots. Reporting customization is available, but it is not as detailed if I was to compare it to QuickBooks. Now, in QuickBooks, you might say, hey, what are these exclusive reporting features? Well, in QuickBooks, not only do you get some basic reporting tools, but you also get some custom reports that you can build with your own variables, you could say. QuickBooks excels in reporting with highly customizable options and industry specific templates. Features tools like cash flow planners, which forecasts cash flow for up to 90 days by using the power of AI. Then both of these platforms do have payrolls as an add-on service where QuickBooks provides its own payroll system with seamless integration into its accounting tools, whereas Xero integrates with Gusto for payroll at an additional cost. Now, let's take a look at some of the key differences before we get to comparing the prices on both of these platforms. If I was to take a look at user access, Xero allows unlimited users across all plans, whereas QuickBooks limits users based on the plan that you are on. So, one user for the simple start and up to 25 users for their advanced plan. And when it comes to discounts for new users, Xero provides a 2-month discount while QuickBooks offers a 3-month discount. In terms of ease of use, Xero is designed with a modern, intuitive interface that appeals to startups and non accountants. It offers a fast learning curve and customizable dashboards with unlimited user access, making it ideal for collaborative teams. Now, if I take a look at QuickBooks, it is going to be leading towards all of these features, but it is a bit more powerful and a bit more robust. Features are more complex and the interface can be more complex, but it still provides extensive tutorials and guides for easy understanding of its features. It has customizable dashboards tailored for US based businesses needing advanced financial tools and taxation managers, and it may require some more time to master due to its feature rich nature. Customer support is not directly available in the form of live chat or phone on Xero, but QuickBooks provides support for almost all of its plans. 24/7 support is available online on Xero, but it is limited to certain hours on QuickBooks except the advanced plan. Then, when it comes to learning resources, there are extensive help articles for Xero, but with QuickBooks, you get tutorials, help articles, and live chat support. QuickBooks provides live phone support but limits availability based on the plan that you are on. Now, what about integrations and add ons? Both platforms integrate with over 3,000 third party apps, including CRM systems like Salesforce and e commerce platforms like Shopify. However, Xero offers specialized apps like Xero Project for basic tracking of your projects. If you just take a look at the top right, you can see you have a quick option to integrate different applications, and you will also have apps recommended to you. But on the bottom, you will have popular categories, which can help you in finding the best app for you. So you can proceed with the application of your preference. QuickBooks supports over 750 integrations directly within its platform and excels in syncing with US specific tax compliance tools. Now, let's move forward and take a look at some of the strengths and weaknesses of each one of these platforms. Starting off with Xero. Xero has a couple of strengths, including unlimited user access, superior multi currency support included in higher tier plans, beginner friendly interfaces ideal for startups and global teams. Whereas with Xero, there are a couple of weaknesses. There is limited AI driven cash flow forecasting for only upwards of 30 days, and no automatic backups or data restoration features. Now, if I was to compare this to QuickBooks, well, QuickBooks has robust reporting tools with industry specific options, AI powered cash flow forecasting for upwards of 90 days, which is going to be 3 months of forecasting, and advanced inventory management suitable for product based businesses. Now, what about the pricing of both of these tools? Well, let's take a look. Starting off with Xero, their plans start at $2.90 and QuickBooks starts at $5.70. However, if you choose to pay annually, you will get a discount. Then, if you go ahead and take a look at Xero, you will see that you are going to be saving money with their annual billing again. But if you choose to pay month to month, you're not going to be getting some of their more extreme discounts. Currently, you can see you're getting 90% off your plan for 3 months when you buy Xero till 28th of February. But usually it's going to cost you around $29. You can get a discount and find it for around $15 most of the time. So in the entry level plan, Xero usually is at $15, whereas QuickBooks is at $25. Their mid tier plan is $42, and QuickBooks is $40, and their advanced plan is going to be $78, whereas QuickBooks is going to be $70. These are usually the prices that you're going to see year round, rather than the current sale prices that you can see. So do keep that in mind. Your sale prices may vary from the price you end up paying long term. And if you're going to be making a tool your financial tool, you're not going to want to switch over and over again. So prices go neck and neck. If I was to compare this price wise, I would say that if you're a small business that has multiple members and needs unlimited user access at a lower cost, and you have international operations and you need strong multi currency support, go for Xero. However, if your business is based in the US and it requires detailed taxation tools and tax compliance tools, and if you prefer having live customer support, then QuickBooks is going to be ideal for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you can leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.